So, let me see if anything in there to drink. I thought they had some water in here. It's not. That's that locking, huh? Just push it to. Yeah, just push it to. You're doing it. You can come on.
Wow, the color.
Hmm?
The color. Oh yeah.
Yeah, see what I was telling you? But the clothes, how those things, how I rearrange this.
Right.
See, they were trying to go with the same distance on that wall that they got it there, so this pew here was over here somewhere. So I arranged that in there where it'd be, you can walk, two people can walk down the hallway side by side. Yeah. But a lot of work.
Did one guy ever?
You know what? I gotta get that number back from May. He tried to call me and I didn't think. Another guy do a lot of work in here too, Timothy Tucker. He's on the island too. He does a lot of work. Yeah, a lot of work that a lot of people don't know, but he'll come in here and I put screw this thing here shut. See, this is where I did that work in there. This used to be the exit door.
Oh, okay.
Remember, I went in there and put that tile in there. So this is what I meant to get me a screw and screw it in. I'll take care of that. Not that one, the other one.
Okay.
This one. Yeah, this is the one that. Now this guy, Douglas Harriet.
Oh, wow.
Douglas Harriet did the. Come on in. Hmm? Douglas did he did the woodwork.
Wow.
I did the tile work. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and look. That's our model.
Wow.
See that window? How I changed it. The window. I didn't move the window. I just put a smaller window in it.
All right, yeah.
So that's our next project.
Same with that one?
Yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do that one a little different. Yeah. Onita tell me, said, don't do nothing with the bad one. You know, Onita. Yeah, I'm gonna redo this one here. And that one over there. Mm-hmm.
What would your parents think about this?
Hmm?
What would your parents think about this church now?
I don't know, man. I tell you, total difference.
Yeah. It'll be here, I tell you, for years to come.
Mm-hmm. You know, all these tiles here, I set these tiles, man. These ones here I set I say what, 15 years ago. Those I set when we did it. Yeah. Big difference.
We should call this section Charles Pyatt.
No. Church vestibule.
Vestibule is Charles Pyatt vestibule.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Wow. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
And this part was added. This part here.
We added this part. That was there. That was the porch right there, and we added this part. I'm gonna bring that hose and wash that down one day this week. Yeah, see, I didn't want to change the outlook of the window, so that's why I put that piece on the inside. Mm-hmm. I used to come out here, man, in the morning time, and when I was setting these tiles and line it up, and
It's good work. It's good work.
yeah. But you know what? That's drying up on the island now, man. Craftsman.
In fact, somebody told me that the island was known for its.
But it's drying up. You ain't got nobody set tile now when I go. You got some guys, I mean, they might try to put some tile down, but they ain't know what the hell they're doing. Yeah. You see, I set tile. I made a lot of, that's how I built my house, to be honest with you, setting tile. But now, you ain't gonna find nobody who can set tile like that no more. Not around here. They might mess up something, look, oh crap.
What the thought is to have like a trade school, just to train some of the younger,
Well, number one, the young kids now don't want to work. They want them jobs, their pie job, but they want a lot of money, you know. And
this kind of skill will always
the skill has gone.
Always,
Mhm. It's like I was telling you, man, when I was doing this right here, I had the picture in my head and I know what I want. And one thing mess about it is on this end right here. I wish I did it differently. But I know what I was doing when I started it.
There's some good kids in here. I remember it was the usher, and you recognize the
Them girls.
Yeah, and boys. So there's some kids who, well,
Yeah.
good kids.
Yeah. Those two sisters and the boy's kind of. I talked with him. Tell him he got to get more spunky. He's fat. I said, what you gonna do after life? I said, brother, you got to take care of yourself better than that. But I still give him the award because. But the young lady, that girl is on it, brother.
Yeah.
And that the little bubble, he's on it. Yeah. They're very prompt. They're gonna be here on time.
And they're serious about it.
And they're serious, but
oh yeah.
and she's remind me of a good leader.
Yeah.
Because she back to tell directing them.
Okay.
Yeah. But you start off young like that, that's how you're gonna be. It's like when I was doing these tiles here, I was telling one of the young kids, I said, man, you need to learn to do this thing here because.
You pass it on to someone.
Huh?
This is passing it on to these kids.
Yeah, I said, man, I said, something happened, somebody can come and do it. Now, this right here ain't gonna happen. You gotta know what to do. You just can't go and put this stuff on block. See, what I have to do, I have to level this thing off. I don't know if you can see, but you got the same cut there, and there.
I know it's all lined up.
You got to be lined up.
Even with the top part.
Yeah.
Lined up.
I said, there's a lot of stuff you got to do. You just can't come and put tile down. You got to prep it first and make sure everything jives. But, you got to know how to read a rule. Yeah. I seen this is no lie, a young man, and I thought he was supposed to be a smart guy. Can't even read a rule. And don't be surprised, you find a lot of older people now can't read no damn rule.
Yeah.
He was stuck up, was 5/8.
Okay.
I would give him a measure. I think it was 10 and 5/8. And he was trying to figure the 5/8. I said, go to the 1/2 inch, 10 and 1/2, and that's it. Them dot go 2 dot over.
Right.
That's 5/8.
Yeah.
I said 4/8 is what?
That's
A half. You using an 1/8 inch rule. I said, where do you go to school at?
I tell you, man, those kind of skills, I'm telling you that.
They don't have them.
I'll be like, okay, I got a half. I know that.
Yeah. 7/8. I said, come on, man, you got to know these things because a lot of these stuff, when you're doing precision work, you got to know, especially when you come down a tile, because you can be 1/8 of an inch off. You got a wide joint. Mm-hmm. So you got to, I tell them, you got to know these doggone measurements.
Is that across from the old church, you think? Or?
Nah, that's when they put up there. Yeah, we just had this roof done.
That's nice.
Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. You come over that hill and see the church right there.
Yeah.
buried? Are you gonna be buried here, or are you gonna be buried?
This is the only active graveyard on San Juan right now. Nobody else can be buried down there in that other grave or the one in, we got, this is the 4th graveyard on San Juan. Yeah. Now, they got one over in Blaine there. That graveyard must have got about 300 or 400 people in it. Got one down here at Broad Lake, close to my dad's house.
You mentioned that there was a grave side there that was like making gold. Something similar.
No, it's a tombstone. You know, I don't see that tombstone. I went there yesterday, and they got a sign out there. It's Broad Lake Graveyard. They got a bunch of people out there.
Okay.
Then they got one down there by the firehouse.
Yeah, Mount Rena.
Mount Rena Graveyard. And this is the only next active graveyard. You see a lot of people in here.
So, Pyatt have a section of this?
Yeah, it's over here on this end over here. You've been by my father and mother grave, huh? Yeah, that's where my family. Thank God so far, only person over there is my mother and my dad. It's a blessing, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
As long as your dad lives, and we could be here a long time.
If I can tailor him, man, I'd be all right. But these are damn old pain now, boy.
Yeah.
Pain is on. But we know, hope some young people can come. That is my thought, what I'm concentrating on now. Some younger folks come and take control. Just like I'm in charge of 501c3 over here on Sandown, which we got established when we was trying to buy better means of transportation to go back and forth across the river. And we have several members on it. And we raise pretty good money. And I'm the CEO of it. But now, I'm thinking I want to give it up. But whoever gonna get it, I would like for them to have boots on the ground here on San Juan. Nobody that live far away be the president of San Juan Transportation Fund under the 501c3.